This is a video of both fast feedback and OB feedback. First, this is a fast exam where mostly there were stills. I want to focus on this because you have your spleen over here and you have your kidney and you have your indicator over here. This is backwards. The way you want it, and you have this later on, but in the right side, this is the liver and the kidney. See how it's opposite where you have the liver here and the kidney. And so clearly you can tell on this image that this is the correct. You always want the indicator towards the patient's head, just so you can see the liver or spleen first and then the kidney, as opposed to the other way, which is backwards here, which is fine. It's just by convention that's the way we do it. So this is the way we try not to teach it, and this is the way we do teach it, where you have the indicator to the patient's head, and you have the area of interest here being the liver, but it could have been the spleen like the last one, and then the kidney over here. One thing is that most of the images that were saved were stills and not clips, and so this is our sonosite machine here, and you can see this button here that says clip. You pressed, I think, the save button many times, and I think that's the cause of why you had most of the stills. You want to press the clip button right here and not the save button. So again, when you can, just so I can get videos as opposed to stills, press the clip and not the save. So hope this helps. Sorry for the background noise. And then I do have another video I want to show you. This is a separate patient. This was another patient who came in, and this is checking for an IUP. You have the uterus here, and you have a clear IUP, but I want to focus on this thing right here. This is gated Doppler, and though there is no good data that there is any harm with to a fetus with gated Doppler, there is a theory of causing heat, and we can use M mode instead, which is a way to detect motion, and there is no harm to the fetus whatsoever. There probably is no harm with this gated Doppler, but in the ultrasound community we try not to use this. And you can tell this is gated Doppler because you have these two gates. Instead, you want to do the straight line, which uses the word M, which stands for M mode, and that's motion. It's hard to see, but on this same video, this button here is M mode, and you can press that, and there'll be a line that comes in the middle of the screen. That's what you can use to do the M mode or motion for the fetal heart rate. So, hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.